Welcome back to our tips and tricks series where we cover all things SOLIDWORKS. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future great tips. Today, we're going to cover 3 keyboard shortcuts for SOLIDWORKS that every designer should know. For tip number 1, we'll start with a quick and easy way to reframe your view. At any point, you can press the F key and SOLIDWORKS will perform a zoom to fit operation, bringing your model front and center for more changes. For our second tip, let's talk about a simple way to switch between open documents. Pressing Ctrl and the Tab key allows me to cycle between different documents I have open. While I have Ctrl pressed, I can continue to tap the Tab key to cycle through multiple documents. Finally, let's take a look at number 3. When I have an assembly open, rather than relaunching the Insert Components command and selecting a part I already have, I can hold the Control key and drag that component to create a copy. So there you have it, 3 SOLIDWORKS shortcuts that every designer should know. If you have a favorite shortcut that we didn't feature in this list, let us know in the comments. Once again, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips. Happy designing!